So in this video, I'll teach you how to make your own AI influencer in under 3 minutes, and that too for completely free. So follow along very carefully because these 3 minutes will change your life and will make you a lot of money. So let's get right into it. So first things first is these are some influencers which me or my gang has made, and here's how the video looks like. Yeah, so these videos are damn good. So first things first, the first step is to find a model's face. So let's go to Pinterest, and as you can see, there's a bunch of models right here. We can grab any of these models' face. So let's go, and here's a model. Let's quickly screenshot her face, and let's go to Google Visk. Again, as I told you, this method is completely free. Google Visk is completely free to use. I'm gonna paste this model's face in the subject. I'm gonna go to Google Docs, and then I'm going to open this Google Doc, which you guys would be getting under the description of this video. So let's actually grab the prompt here to generate a new face, and let's paste it here. So we've got this face. Now this face looks slightly different from the original face as she has longer eyes, and we can use this for our AI avatar or for our AI influencer. Let's download this image real quick. Let's grab a video on which we'll face swap this model. So let's go to Pinterest. As you can see, there are all these videos which are there, and our main goal here is to grow the Instagram influencer and then get people to subscribe or pay for an exclusive membership where we'll share explicit content of this particular AI influencer. That's how this whole market works. So let's actually grab one of these dance videos. Yeah, this one looks good. Let's actually click on copy link, go to clickpin.com, and then paste the pin which you downloaded. Click on download, and let's wait for download to complete. As you can see, we just downloaded the video. Just click on download video, and then we need to grab the first frame of this video, Extractor.com, and then let's add the video here. And then let's select the number of frames to extract to 1. Click on extract. Let's grab this particular frame and click on download. Now next thing we need to do is face swap this face with our model and do a few more tweaks. So for that, let's go back to Visk, and let's paste the first frame here, and I'll also paste the image of my model under subject, and then there's the second prompt which you need to simply copy, and then let's shoot the prompt. Let's see the output. So I generated this image. Let's download this image real quick, and then so we have the start frame and the video itself. Now let's go to Kling API. So Kling API will give you a few free generations for Kling 2.6 motion control. So let's actually clear out the prompt section. Let's remove this and remove this. Let's simply add the image here, and then let's add the video below this. Character orientation is video and 720p. Let's click on run. So as you guys can see, this is the completed video, or this is the generated video which we have got for our AI influencer. Let's have a look. This is way realistic, and I'd say better than the original video. Yep. So now, as you have learned under 3 minutes how to actually make your AI influencer, the next steps are very simple. First things first is you need to generate a PFP for AI influencer, and then put her on Instagram, and then obviously make sure that her bio does not mention that she's an AI influencer. That's like the most basic shit you have to do. Apart from that, make sure that her PFP looks natural as possible, as you can see. And yeah, this is the kind of content you need to be posting here. And to show you some results, this is the kind of text my friends are getting on their Instagram influencer. These are texts that they're getting. So then you can funnel them into a FanVue page, or because the OnlyFans is not allowed for AI influencers, you can funnel them onto FanVue, which is a hybrid platform for monetizing content. Or you can also make them pay for Instagram subscriptions. Instagram 300 rupees a month, 200 rupees a month, 1000 rupees a month, 900 rupees a month, doesn't really matter. And then as you start gaining audience, people will subscribe to you, and you'll obviously have explicit content there for the subscribers, and that's how you monetize this. A few things to note here is that the content that you put out has to be in a story style. Just because she can't be like this one, like for this particular account, right? The content has to be in story style. Like if she's in Mumbai, then all her videos, all her posts should be from Mumbai. She cannot go to, Monaco or some random nation for, like, I hope you get it. The videos or the posts should follow a story format. That's how you will get the most realism, and that's how you make the audience actually feel that she is real, and that's how you funnel them into your FanVue page or monetize the audience. That's how this works. Also, make sure that the video content is explicitly that, so that it has higher watch time, and then it can go viral pretty easily, pretty quick. So that's the main goals of it, the main crux of it. Honestly, a lot of people have been doing it. Do this as a side gig. Do not do this as a main gig or a main business unless you have hundreds of AI influencer models. Do not do this as a main gig because it's not that profitable as a main gig, but as a side gig, it's best. It's pretty cool. You can get a lot of money from these recurring subscriptions, and you can just pour in 1 to 2 hours a day and make sure your AI influencer is running and is in great health. So this is kind of about it, boys, and I hope this video was helpful. Do let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Cheers. Appreciate it. Thank you.